Book.
Book.
This is my book. I read a book every day. The book is on the table. House.
House.
My house is big. I live in a small house. The house has 3 rooms. Car.
Car.
This car is red. I drive my car to work. The car is very fast. Dog.
Dog.
The dog is in the garden. I love my dog. The dog runs in the park. School.
School.
I go to school every day. The school is near my house. My friend is at school. Water.
Water.
I drink water in the morning. The bottle has water. Water is very important. Apple.
Apple.
This apple is red. I eat an apple at lunch. The apple is on the plate. Teacher.
Teacher.
My teacher is very nice. The teacher is in the classroom. I talk to my teacher. Friend.
Friend.
He is my best friend. My friend is happy today. I play with my friend. Milk.
Milk.
I drink milk every night. The milk is cold. There is milk in the fridge. Chair.
Chair.
The chair is brown. I sit on the chair. The chair is near the table. Pen.
Pen.
This pen is blue. I write with my pen. The pen is in my bag. City.
City.
London is a big city. I live in a small city. The city is very busy. Bus.
Bus.
The bus is full. I go to work by bus. The bus stops here. Bed.
Bed.
The bed is soft. I sleep in my bed. The bed is in the room. Food.
Food.
The food is very good. I eat food at home. There is food on the table. Sun.
Sun.
The sun is hot. The sun is in the sky. I like the sun. Shop.
Shop.
The shop is open. I buy bread at the shop. The shop is near the bus stop. Phone.
Phone.
This is my phone. I call my friend on the phone. The phone is in my pocket. Table.
Table.
The table is round. There is a book on the table. We eat at the table.